Hello, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make cheesy potatoes. Ingredients. Right here, I have 20 chicken tenderloins. If you use chicken breast, it average out about 2.5 pounds, okay, of chicken breast. I'm going to be using some bacon bits. Of course, the hash brown. Now, I got this recipe on the back of the original pack. This right here is the Southwest style ones. I like the recipe better with these ones. I'm using 2 bags, okay, some sour cream, 2 cans of cream of chicken. This is what I seasoned the chicken with. The complete and the Lawry's seasoning salt, okay. You're also going to need some cheddar cheese, or you can use any kind of cheese you choose to use, okay. All right, cut them into bite-sized pieces. I added them to a hot pan with a little oil. Season them with the seasoning. Cooked it until the chicken was no longer pink. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the same pan that I cooked the chicken in. Still got, some of the pieces of the chicken in there. Gonna add just a little bit more oil. You can see my pan is already hot. Make sure your pan is hot. Not gonna use too much oil. We're gonna add the potatoes. See, they already seasoned. The Southwest style already has seasoning on them. Now this recipe also calls for you to cook them in the oven. I'm not doing that. Pan can be a little hotter. So we're gonna turn it up. And we're just gonna let these soften some. Okay, now that they have softened up some, I'm gonna add my cream of chicken. Gonna stir that in. Now, if you only using 1 pack of the potatoes, you will only need 1 can of the cream of chicken. Now I'm gonna add my sour cream. Now you can measure this, like, how much they suggest. I'm not doing that. I have did this recipe several times, and I like it this way. But hey, you can follow the instructions on the back of the pack. Okay, now I'm gonna add my cheese, but I'm doing me, so it's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, then I'm gonna add the chicken in, mix that together. Okay, now I'm gonna add my bacon bits. And basically, when the cheese melt, this is done. Okay, you guys, this is what it looked like plated up. It may not look that appealing, but it's delicious, trust me. Okay, and for those be like, ooh, it needs some color, I got you. There. Now you got a little color. All right, I appreciate y'all time. Thanks for watching.